All right, we were just talking to Sophie Osworth from London about the fallout from this UK Supreme Court decision defining what a woman is. Surprise, surprise, a woman is biologically a woman. The fallout there has been extraordinary. But I want to show you what Peter Dutton said last week when he was asked about this on the campaign trail. Have a look.
In light of this ruling, what is your definition of a woman?
Well, that's a matter, obviously, that's been before the British courts. I haven't seen the detail of the case, and it's not something that I think is front of minds at this election, I think.
Now, Alex Antic, we understand it's the cost of living. You want to keep the election campaign focused on the big issues. No, don't want to have culture wars on the side. But this is a fundamental issue, surely, where the coalition should be firmly standing on the side of science.
Look, I mean, I understand that, but I think we have to accept that there are a lot of moving parts to an election campaign. The number one overwhelming priority for people, though, is cost of living, and we see that people are doing it very tough. We've got interest rates on the rise. People's mortgages are up $50,000 they've spent over the last 3 years under this Labor government. We haven't got the energy bill relief that we're looking for. Look, this is an issue that I've been dealing with for a long period of time. I've said it openly. My personal view is that there should be an amendment to the Sex Discrimination Act to return the definition of man and woman, and that would solve the problem. But look, I totally understand why Peter Dutton's focusing on the big issues. This wouldn't, I think, even though it is a very important issue, something that I've taken very seriously, wouldn't appear in the top 10 issues for Australians at the moment.